Some tips and tricks about the Revit navigation I will show you. And the first tip I will show you has to do with zooming in and out on an item on the screen. To zoom in and out on an item on screen, place the cursor on the item before using the middle mouse button. Let's zoom in and out on the window, for example. Place the cursor on the window, move the mouse forward or backward, and Revit will zoom in on the window or zoom out on the window. The second tip has to do with rotating around an item. For example, let's rotate around the desk. Select an item to rotate around it. So by selecting the desk and using the rotation command, that is holding down your shift key on the keyboard and pressing down the middle mouse button, move the mouse in the direction you want to rotate. And the desk now becomes the center axis of the rotation. This way, the desk is always in focus when you rotate around the screen. Tip number 3. Use the navigation wheel for more navigation controls. Click once on the navigation wheel. Use the on-screen navigation control to pan, zoom, orbit, and rewind. The rewind command reverts to a previous viewpoint. Let's rewind the view using the rewind command. Click and hold on the rewind command tool and move your cursor to the left or right to move back or forward in time. The view cube. The view cube is only used for navigating 3D views. It is a clickable and draggable tool that allows you to switch between standard and isometric views. Click on the area marked top to orient the view to plan, and the area marked left or right to orient the view to left or right. You can also click on the corner to change the view to an axonometric view. Click on the home icon to return to the default 3D state. I will now use the rewind tool to move back in time.